Are you familiar with custom CSS properties? If not, then this video is for you. Custom CSS properties allows you to declare a variable by typing 2 dashes, the name of your variable, and giving it any valid CSS value. In this case, I'm using the color. To use your variable, you type var, then your variable in parentheses. Let's go to the code editor for a few examples. In the HTML, we have identical divs 1 and 2. Let's go into the CSS. Let's create and use some custom properties in div 1. As with any property, the same cascading and inheritance rules apply, so you wouldn't be able to use these custom properties in div 2. To make your custom properties global, you place them in root. This comes in handy when you're creating a theme for your site and want to use the same colors, sizes, so forth and so on. This comes in extremely useful when you're working with functions. I've created 2 more custom properties. As you can see, they use the function name as well as the value. Let's write them down below in div 2. You can do some amazing things with custom properties. This is just an introduction, but I'll post some resources in the description below. And with that said, y'all be cool out there.